Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to put an object to a photo using a layer marks in Photopea software. So let's start it. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see add object to image using layer marks. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open and place option. Now you can see now select from picture. Now click from open option. That it's like I said, now we click from confirm option, then again now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now is select from text or image. Now click from open option. That is now you can see. Now we move the second picture in the layer option. Now keyboard press from Ctrl T. Now resize the picture. Now click from confirm option. Now going to the layer menu option. Now click from background. Now click from clipping marks option. Now you can see then is going to the opacity option. Now opacity click in 50%. That is and 70%. That is now you can see put object in photo using layer marks in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.